हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। मेरा नाम है क्षितिज शर्मा और आप हो मेरे चैनल पर जिसका नाम है लक्ष्य एजुकेशन ऑनलाइन। मैथ्स के सफर में आज हम आगे बढ़ेंगे एक नए चैप्टर के साथ जिसका नाम है ट्रिगोनोमेट्री। 10th स्टैंडर्ड के स्टूडेंट्स को पता ही है ट्रिगोनोमेट्री कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है आप सबके लिए। तो आज के इस फर्स्ट एपिसोड में हम सीखेंगे ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के कुछ बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलाज। तो ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के सफर पे आगे बढ़ने के लिए तैयार हो जाइए। और हाँ, अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ 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 जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को हिट कीजिए, तो आने वाले वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल जाएंगे। सो बी रेडी फॉर ट्रिगोनोमेट्री। दोस्तों, ट्रिगोनोमेट्री में हमें स्टैंडर्ड 10th में स्टडी करना है राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल के लिए ट्रिगोनोमेट्री। एज यू नो व्हाट इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल? राइट एंगल triangle is a triangle in which one angle is right angle. Here I have drawn a triangle ABC where angle B is right angle. Now in a right angle triangle, if one angle is right angle, then rest of the two angles means angle A and angle C are acute angles. To study the trigonometry, first of all we have to consider one angle as a reference angle. Here in this diagram I have considered angle C as the reference angle and I have denoted this angle as theta. As you know that theta is a Greek alphabet and we can use it to denote an angle. So in this triangle, angle B is right angle, angle C is considered to be a reference angle as theta. With respect to theta, AB is opposite side. As we can see that opposite to C or theta, the side is line segment AB. So AB is opposite side. With reference to theta, BC is adjacent side, and as we know that the side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. So this is the thing which we have defined for this given right angle triangle, where angle theta means angle C is reference angle. Now let us understand some of the very important trigonometric ratios. In trigonometry we have total 6 trigonometric ratios which are very important to understand. It is the beginning of trigonometry. Let us understand which these trigonometric ratios are. In trigonometry, we have first ratio is sin theta. Second is cos theta. Third is tan theta. Then cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. These are the first 6 trigonometric ratios. Now we have to understand what these trigonometric ratios are. Once again, first of all, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now first of all, we have to understand the meaning of these trigonometric ratios. Let us understand. Let's begin with sin theta. Now what is sin theta? According to mathematics, in trigonometry, sin theta is the ratio of opposite side to hypotenuse. Once again, here theta is the reference angle. With respect to this reference angle, AB is the opposite side and AC is the hypotenuse. So for this particular triangle, sin theta is being ratio of opposite to hypotenuse. We get sin theta equal to opposite side to hypotenuse. So sin theta being the ratio of opposite to hypotenuse, here it will be ratio of AB to AC. So we can write sin theta equal to AB upon AC. That is the ratio of opposite to hypotenuse. Now the second ratio is cos theta. Cos theta is the ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Now with respect to this theta, BC is the adjacent side and AC is the hypotenuse. So here we can write cos theta equals to BC upon AC. The third ratio is tan theta. Tan theta is the ratio of opposite side to adjacent side. So here we can write tan theta equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. With respect to theta, opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. So I can write here tan theta equals to AB upon BC. So we got three first trigonometric ratios, that is sin theta opposite to hypotenuse, cos theta opposite adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan theta opposite upon adjacent. Now whatever ratios I have written on the other side, that is, each ratio is the reciprocal of the ratio beside it. It means cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So we can know here reciprocal of sin theta will be, as sin theta is opposite to hypotenuse, cosec theta will be hypotenuse to opposite ratio. So cosec theta equals to hypotenuse upon opposite side. So we get a reciprocal of AB to AC will be AC upon AB. So that is AC upon AB. This is cosec theta. Now here we can see that sec theta will be similarly the reciprocal of cos theta. As cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, sec theta will be hypotenuse upon adjacent. So I can write here hypotenuse upon adjacent side. So reciprocal of BC to AC will be AC upon BC. This is sec theta. The third ratio is cot theta and it is reciprocal of tan theta. As tan theta is opposite upon adjacent, so cot theta will be adjacent side upon opposite side. So according to this, as tan theta is AB upon BC, cot theta will be BC upon AB. So this way we have got the six trigonometric ratios. They are, once again, they are sin theta means opposite side upon hypotenuse. Second, cos theta means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Third, tan theta means opposite side upon adjacent side. Fourth, here cot theta means adjacent side upon opposite side. Then sec theta means hypotenuse upon adjacent side, and cosec theta means hypotenuse upon opposite side. This is the beginning of trigonometry, and you must remember all these six trigonometric ratios to enter into trigonometry. In trigonometry, further we are going to study more important relationships. Now which these relationships are? As we know here, sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocals of each other. So I can write here as sin theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta, as they are reciprocals of each other. So I can say cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta. And if I multiply sin and cosec, what do I get? I get sin theta multiplied by cosec theta equals to 1. So this is the relation between sin and cosec. The second relation I can get here is in between cos and sec. As cos and sec are reciprocals of each other, we get cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta. Similarly, sec theta equals to 1 upon cos theta. And if I multiply both of them, I get cos theta multiplied by sec theta, I get 1. So this is the relation between cos and sec. Similarly, we can get a relation between tan and cot. Tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta, so we get tan theta equals to 1 upon cot theta. And cot theta equals to 1 upon tan theta. If we multiply both of them, we get tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. So students, these are six trigonometric ratios, their definitions or their formula, and the relation between the reciprocals of each other. Students, we have one more relation of tan theta with sin and cos. Now let us see that relation. Tan theta is the ratio of sin theta to cos theta. So we can write that tan theta equals to sin theta upon cos theta. We have a very small proof for this. As we know that sin theta is the ratio of opposite to hypotenuse. So we can write sin theta equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse upon cos theta is the ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. So here in this ratio we can see that the denominator term hypotenuse can be cancelled out, so the remaining term is opposite to adjacent. So opposite side upon adjacent side. But we know that the ratio of opposite to adjacent is tan theta. So I can write here opposite to adjacent means tan theta. It means tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. If we apply the formulas, we get tan theta back. Similarly, cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So we get cot theta equals to reciprocal of this, that is cos theta upon sin theta. So this is the relation of tan theta with sin theta and cos theta. Once again, tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. The next section is about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now first of all, you should know what is complementary angle. In earlier standards you have studied that the pair of two angles for which the sum of those two angles is 90 degree is called pair of complementary angles. For example, for 50 degree angle, what is the complementary of 50 degree angle? If I add 40 into 50, I will get 90. It means we can say that 50 degree angle is complementary of 40 or 40 degree angle is complementary of 50. If I want to get complementary angle of 60 degree angle, complementary of 60 can be got by 90 minus 60, means complementary of 60. If I want to get complementary angle of x, complementary angle of x means 90 minus x is the complementary angle of x. If I want to get complementary angle of theta, then what do I get? 90 minus theta is the complementary angle of theta. Now we have to understand complementary angle for the trigonometric ratios. In trigonometry, some of the ratios are complementary of the other or they are complementary of each other. Such kind of pairs we have in trigonometry. Let us see which pairs these are. In trigonometry, sin theta is complementary angle of cos theta. It means we get sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, as sin and cos are complementary angles of each other. So as sin is complementary of cos, so cos will be complementary of sin. So we can say that cos theta equals to sin 90 minus theta. This is the relation of sin and cos being complementary trigonometric ratios of each other. Similarly, we have another pair. This is one of the pairs. The second pair is tan theta is complementary angle of cot theta. So tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. So from this we get cot theta equals to tan 90 minus theta. So this is another pair of complementary ratios. Third pair is cosec theta equal to sec 90 minus theta. So we get sec theta equals to cosec 90 minus theta. So this way we get the pairs of complementary angles or complementary trigonometric ratios. Once again, sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. So cos theta equals to sin 90 minus theta. Tan theta equals to cot 90 minus theta. So cot theta equals to tan 90 minus theta. Cosec theta equal to sec 90 minus theta, and sec theta equals to cosec 90 minus theta. So these are complementary trigonometric ratios, and it is very important to remember. Now we have to understand some important trigonometric identities. Now first of all, what is the meaning of trigonometric identities? In trigonometry, all those formulas which remain true for any angle or for any value of angle theta, they are called trigonometric identities. In standard 10, we have to understand some of the trigonometric identities. Let us see which these identities are. The first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. In trigonometry, for any angle, for any measure of angle of theta, square of sine plus square of cos gives us 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. From this identity, we get some other relations, like we can get sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. This is the relation which we can acquire from this identity. The other relation we can get is cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So this is the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From that we get sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta and cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. The second identity, it is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So this is the second identity, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. From this we get, if we send tan square theta on the other side, we get sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. This is the relation which we can acquire from this identity. One more relation we can acquire is sec square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. So this is the second identity. Once again, it is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So we get sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 and sec square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. Now the third identity. The third identity is 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. From this identity, we get a relation and it is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. And one more relation we get is cosec square theta minus 1 equals to cot square theta. So this is the third identity and relationships acquired from it. Once again, it is 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1 and cosec square theta minus 1 equals to cot square theta. So students, in this episode we have studied about the trigonometric ratios, the relation between the pairs of complementary angles, the relation between the pairs of inverse angles of each other and some of the very important trigonometric identities. Dear students, all these things which we have learned today, it is the beginning of trigonometry. तो सबसे पहले आपको इसे याद रखना है और फिर ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के सफर पे आगे बढ़ना है। मैं आशा रखता हूं कि ट्रिगोनोमेट्री का फर्स्ट एपिसोड का सफर आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है, आपको ये समझ में आ चुका है। ये समझने के बाद हम ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के दूसरे सफर पे जाएंगे, एपिसोड नंबर 2। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और हाँ, अगर अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को हिट कीजिए तो आपको नए वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशंस मिल जाएंगे। सो ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के सफ़र पे आगे बढ़ने के लिए रेडी रहिए। तब तक के लिए देखते रहिए लक्ष्य एजुकेशन ऑनलाइन और स्टडी करते रहिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।